Hey guys, it's bright, it's sunny out, thank God. Some of you guys on Instagram, I'm seeing you got snow out there. Double D Speed Shop out there, he's got lots of snow. You can keep it, buddy. It's all for yours. What better way to drive a 55 Chevy Gasser than out in the snow? Anyway, y'all remember Graham's truck? We've been working on it for the last year. He's been bringing his parts in pieces slowly, and he's assembling it himself at home. But we just finished painting all the cab up, or Jared did, I should say. So, take a look. There it is. This is the factory color. It is a GMC. It's an American GMC. How you know the American ones from the Canadian ones is that they have a V6 in them, which is what this old girl's got. Now he didn't want to go the white around here. Normally they're white and then you got the black. He wanted to just leave it body color. So we do what he asks. Look at that. Look how straight that is. What a great job. Sean did just a marvelous job on that. Jared laid the paint down like it's glass. It's got the factory fawn inside. Some people call it gold. Some people call it silver. I don't know where they get silver from. I call it fawn. It's just gorgeous. This has really got me antsy to get going on my own 65 Chevy pickup. Let's take a look under the hood here. Whoops, wrong side. Can I do this? Maybe not. Maybe this way. There we go. Yes, it's a V6 and it's original. This truck's got factory power steering, factory power brakes. It's got all the goodies on it. It's obviously a 6-foot fleet side, a little short box. Just gorgeous. Of course, it's a big back window cab too, which was an option back then for those that don't know. Standard on the column. Beautiful truck. Turned out absolutely beautiful. There you go, guys. So thanks to my good team here again, we knocked another one out. Can't get much better than that, I don't think. So that's what's going on there. It is done. The box is done. Graham's got it at home. We did that for him a long time ago. So he's got all that. Got some leftover paint down in his box there. And that's it. So, there you go. Let's get out of the sun. It's too bright. That's what's happening here today at the old shop. So, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time Garage. T-shirts, decals, we still got all that stuff. Go to the website, it's still for sale. We're starting to run low a little bit. We're going to try and get a new shirt out there for winter. I don't know what's going to be on it, but it should be something crazy and wild, much like the shop dog Hank. That's right, Hank's out there. Anyway, he's in the house right now because it's probably cold for him. So remember, it's always a good time. Get out in the shop, build something. Happy Thanksgiving to any of the Canadian folks out there. It is Thanksgiving long weekend, and have a good one, and don't drink too much. And, or I should say, drink lots. Just don't drive. Okay. Always a good time. See ya.